welcome to this edition of the Brangus Sale Report. This video will feature the results from the Quail Creek Cut Above sale held on March 9th in Cullman, Alabama. This year's sale saw strong representation from the southeastern Brangus breeders. This year, 101 Brangus females averaged $3,007 for a gross of $303,716. The high-selling female lot was Lot 73, L&W Miss Nuffsaid 123Z. She sold for $7,000 to Clarence Tays of Cookeville, Tennessee, and was consigned by L&W Cattle. The offering also included 43 Brangus bulls that averaged $3,438 for a gross of $147,834. The high-selling bull was Lot 97 McCreary Sweet Home 30Y5. He sold for $14,000 to Seldom Seen Ranch of Alabama and was consigned by McCreary Farms. Therefore, the overall average on 144 lots was $3,225, and the overall gross was $451,550.